Lord, and this girl, you do the video, you eat when the video starts.
Okay, because you're taking.
Hi guys! No, I don't like it. Hi guys! So today we are eating at Five Guys. We have not did this video before, so we thought it would be fun to do Five Guys today. So we are going to go ahead and get started. Let me show you what we're eating. Well, you know you have these big greasy Five Guys bags. So what we have is I have a cheeseburger all the way and jalapenos on the side. And so that has pickles, tomato, ketchup, mustard, lettuce, tomato, all that regular stuff on it. And Cajun fries. And what do you have?
You read mine. Yours has mushrooms, something else on it, and then something else that got an M.
I don't know. It seems like every time I do this with her, you have to correct me on my burger. This is my burger, though. So why doesn't it have what I had?
Because yours says #1 all the way, and then you read #2 where it said everything else.
Well, whatever. Okay. Can you get in the frame?
I was in the frame. I'm bending down.
Okay, we'll get your food. And then I also got some peanuts, because you can crack your peanuts and eat those at Five Guys. Okay, so let us try to pull out some of this greasiness and eat it. Here.
I got some.
You got some napkins? Okay. And I hope you can't hear the car. We may have to turn off the car for a little bit. We'll burn up then, won't we? I hope you guys can hear this video.
I don't know why you won't get a mic.
That's what I need to get, is a mic. Okay, so let's get into this meal. Got some ketchup.
Wait.
So bad. We ain't even blessed the food. Okay. You whack. I'm so hungry. I'm sorry, guys. Normally I do bless my food, so. But I'm hungry. I told her I wanted to do a video today. Oh, good.
I feel like you was going to say something.
She showed her food. Oh, show that side. That looks delicious.
What side?
That side. That looks so good. She actually said she wanted to do a video today. Okay, so we're going to have to do a thumbnail because I never get a thumbnail. So let's do that first before we get started. Oh my gosh. I didn't think all the way had mushrooms because I didn't see where it had mushrooms.
She sat there and showed you it. She said,
so that's my burger. This is like amazing. Amazing. Okay. Ready? What's your thumbnail?
I don't know. I'll be eating the fry.
You gonna eat a fry? Okay, so this is like hard to eat in the car, so let me try to get myself situated, guys. I got some jalapenos.
You be struggling to eat.
I do. Here, you got the fries on the floor. Let me try that. Well, they like to see your food. Somebody pulled up right beside us. Like, it's a million parking spaces here. Why would you pull right beside us?
On top, this your channel.
We're gonna eat something then talk.
Eat something then talk. Okay. Look at you.
We're dropping food. This is messy.
That look nasty.
Mm-mm.
Who put mushrooms on a burger?
This is so good. I mean, this is banging. Let me try it with a jalapeno. You don't want a jalapeno?
Mm-mm.
What?
This better not be from Pembroke.
Come on.
Oh, this is from Central Carolina. Wait, what? Ooh, hold on. I gotta read this email.
Mm.
Carolina.
That was spicy.
Over.
This is so good. I got sweet tea.
Are you gonna talk? Cause right now it looks like this is the ASMR.
What do you want to talk about?
I don't know, this your channel.
So what were you supposed to get a text about? I mean, a message from Pembroke about?
I said it better not be Pembroke again.
Has Pembroke been contacting you?
Uh-huh. But this was from a coach, the assistant coach at Wake Forest for the women's basketball team. But she's finna be the head coach at Central, at Carolina Central. Or Central Carolina, whichever one. I didn't read it all the way through.
They trying to recruit you?
I didn't read the email all through. But that's what it sounded like.
Okay, I hear you. So guys, as you know, Annie's my youngest, and it's so good. I'm so glad you told me you wanted to do a mukbang this morning. Why not?
Here's your sandwich.
Look, girl. This is so good. And so this little girl, we're preparing for her to go off to school. So she's in the process of trying to figure out where she's going now. So she'll be going to college, and my son will be graduating from college. So this is like, I guess, an exciting yet busy time for me. And bittersweet to see my children going off to different stages of their life. So, yeah, that's where we are now.
And it's ready.
I
said, and it's ready.
Oh, you ready? Whatever. What you ready for? Freedom.
It's ready.
for the experience.
I guess, yeah.
You ready to leave me?
You make that sound mean.
Whew.
Is they hot?
Yes, you need to try one. They got me over here sweating. Whew. Go ahead and eat your jalapeno. Don't try to act like it's not hot either. It's gonna hit you. It's gonna hit you in a minute. It's gonna hit you in a minute. Whatever.
I'm sitting here waiting.
Whatever.
You just don't have a high heat tolerance.
And you wonder why I like it though. You think it's something addictive about heat? About eating spicy food, you think it's addicting?
Yes. If you like it. I'm addicted to spicy foods.
Eat this whole cup of jalapenos.
Me?
Yeah.
But how much?
For how much? How about this? If we get how many likes on this video?
I don't know. But finish.
If we get 50 likes on this video, you'll eat a whole cup of jalapenos like this.
I mean, I would do that right now, but what am I gonna get in return?
Oh, I gotta give you something.
Yeah.
It's a monetary. It needs to be a monetary value attached to it.
Yeah.
Well, see, this is not a full cup anymore, so you'd have to do it on the next video. So let's say...
That's enough right there.
Okay, so you eat these jalapenos. I'll give you... How much I gotta give you? What's your price? $5? I say $5. Oh, excuse me. I say $5 is fair.
I don't know. I'm gonna think about it.
I can eat these for $5.
But you talking to the same kid. Now we was at East Coast Wings, and Dimitri sat there a lot, like he ate that thing in the restaurant, but took it home. Him and Jalen sweating. I'm downstairs. I done snooked about 5 pieces. I ain't even sweating, and took it. Y'all over here running around the house. No. So them jalapenos ain't gonna do nothing. And that wing was spicy.
Yeah, you did do that. And you were young too.
I was in the 3rd grade. 3rd, 4th grade. Me over here sweating.
What wing was it?
It was like the super highest wing at East Coast Wing.
Yeah, the one that you get your picture up on the board for. Yeah, that was funny. And they didn't even know you had snuck down there and ate the darn wing. Did you know it was a hot wing, or you didn't know?
I knew it was a hot wing, but the bitch was like, Amy, now you don't need to try it. And I snuck it when they all ran upstairs crying. And when I was just standing there smiling, it was like, then I was like, Amy, you could have took a piece. I was like, yep.
I didn't eat it. I didn't even try to eat it. Or bite it. My mouth is burning, but it's so good.
Last bite.
I'm making a mess. Mine was messy. But it was a good messy. Don't eat your jalapenos.
Give me a minute.
Nah, I might tear your stomach up. It's too early for that. It's like if you come in.
You just making a mess. You like a little kid eating in here.
That's why I don't like eating in the car. Get it on. I can see them. Just leave it. I get it. So I can see them. You can't see them. This is a bloopers video, isn't it? I eat my french fries. The Lord knows it's hard to eat the fries and the burger at the same time.
No, it ain't.
In the car. Well, it wasn't for you, but it was for me. She's too fidgety. I need to take her out the video.
How am I fidgety? I was eating and I'm cleaning up your mess.
Ooh. That tea is good. And I'm very particular about my sweet tea. But that sweet tea is very delicious.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh! Like, how many bloopers is in this video? What the heck? Oh my goodness.
I don't understand. Mama, you just bad luck.
Don't be saying a mess like that.
You bad luck.
I'm gonna cut all that part out. Y'all don't need to have to watch us clean this up. We'll get it up in a minute. Don't worry about it now. I get it. When the video over.
Don't sit in mine.
You still eating fries?
Yeah, I got like 2 more left.
Trying to put your fries be all in the bottom of your bag too. What? Something on fire over there? I see a fire truck.
There ain't nothing on fire.
Well, I just assumed since you're over here at restaurants and stuff, you know, something might be on fire. Oh, Lordy be. So, oh, this was so good. 5 Guys. 2 thumbs up.
That burger still don't outrank Sonic though.
What?
Don't outrank Sonic.
This
It's
is
a close second, but it don't outrank Sonic.
That's a young person's opinion, because I think 5 Guys got Sonic. Puh, hands down. What? Mm-mm. Nah.
We beat them. Sonic beat them. You put a little nasty.
You gonna eat a peanut?
Skin just like pearls, the best thing in the world. I wouldn't tell a friend, but else in my skin care. Skin just like pearls, the best thing in the world.
So how was the peanut?
Like a peanut. Okay, as well. That's the song. That's the song of the summer. I don't care what nobody say.
Really?
Yep, that's the song of the summer. You don't even know the song. You don't even listen to it.
What's the song?
Brown Skin Girl with Beyonce. Her daughter Blue Ivy did a little part. Well, she sung a little bit in there. But Beyonce, I can't remember the dude name. And then it's off the Lion King album.
Do you want to go see Lion King?
I really do need to go see that movie. I really do.
You want to see it with your friends or with me?
I think all my friends have already seen it. So.
Oh gosh, that mean I gotta go see it.
Yeah.
Maybe you and your brother can go see it.
I ain't going. Last time I went to go see a movie with Jalen, he fell asleep in the. We was at Myrtle Beach, matter of fact. He fell asleep in the movie theater and was snoring. Everybody was just looking back at me. I got up and moved 2 seats away from Jalen. He was in there snoring. I got up and moved away from him.
Yeah, I could see that happening. I could see that happening. How long is this video?
22 minutes.
So,
you ain't talking about nothing this whole video.
What you want to talk about? You ain't had nothing to talk about. I ain't had nothing to talk about.
What's the point of doing a mukbang? You ain't supposed to just be sitting here eating. You're supposed to at least be talking, having a conversation.
We did talk.
Like,
I tried to get you to eat these
if they wanted to
jalapenos.
If they wanted to watch somebody eat, they could literally go get some food, get a mirror, and sit in front of it and watch themselves eat. You
So
got
you-
a jalapeno tea right there.
So you think they should want to hear you talk too?
Yeah. The people I watch and they do mukbangs, they answer questions like as if it was a Q&A.
Well, I don't have enough subscribers to interact for that.
If
So-
not, they basically still just talking about themselves, like where they from.
So you watch those kind of
That and the
mukbangs?
third. I mean, people that's near Kim age and my age.
You don't watch nobody my age.
No. I watched Darren Ken. I watched Pontiac May DDG. I watched this girl Kennedy from Charlotte.
Why you wouldn't watch nobody my age?
What I look like?
That's messed up. That's
I
messed up. It's kids that watch people my age.
Then that's them. That ain't me.
That's
I
because you
watched-
just think you grown.
Yeah, I watched Kennedy Simone. I watched DDG. I watched Darren Ken. I watched Corey and Carmen.
I watched De'Ara and King.
I watched, who else do I watch? I used to watch Jazz and Tay before they broke up. I used to watch, who else?
I didn't know you watched mukbangs.
It's only when
Those
they
people
post
don't
them.
do mukbangs, do they?
Yes, they do when they post them, when they choose to post them.
Oh.
Who else do I watch? Not Tay.
So I quit doing S&S and started just doing jail. This is going into week 2. And these are my nails. I have to keep them cut down for work. Sorry to cut you off.
I was thinking anyways.
I quit doing the S&S because I took a break from them just out of curiosity. Because they said they make your nails healthier. They really don't. My nails were so brittle that it took probably about a month for my nails to recover. So I just said I'll just stick with gel. When I won't polish. So anyway, I can't get my daughter to want her nails done. My oldest daughter, oh, she was ready. When she turned 16, she was ready to go to the nail salon. This little thing right here said, not interested.
Not. I just want my ears pierced.
But she wants, and what do you want in your ear?
I want the industrial rod. Then I want a second piercing right here on both ears. And then I want this right here at the top. And that's it.
And why?
They look cute.
I said these children shocked me because they.
And I want tattoos.
The oldest two started out, they wanted tattoos. They didn't want piercings. They just wanted tattoos. Well, no, Kim did get
got a piercing because I went with her. No, I went with her when she got her bull horn.
But that was when she was out of the. That was when she was grown. I mean.
But she was still in the house.
Yeah, but she was graduated high school. I'm talking about still in high school. The only thing I think she just got this pierced, didn't she?
I think so.
I think she just had a cartilage pierce. But they both got tattoos as soon as they turned 18.
And that's what I'm doing.
And now they just been tattoo fanatics.
Ready for December.
I said, I don't know. I got my first tattoo when I was like 30.
Yes, that was weak when you came home.
I was like 30, first tattoo.
That was funny. You came home, he was looking at you like, you crazy. You used to make me rub your stuff on there. I'd be mad.
And my piercings, now I did get piercings. Because I had my nose pierced, which you can still see. And then my ears, I think I got about 4 in each ear. But I never ventured to the cartridge or anything.
I want that.
But yes, I did. I did. But it hurt, and so I took it out.
That's my 18th birthday though.
But yeah, so
that tattoo.
I can't say anything about them wanting stuff like that because
you had it.
Well, not just because I had it, but it's the times. So now that's the thing. So long as they do tasteful tattoos and keep in mind that they have to have careers and things like that. So they have to be appropriate in the appropriate locations and things like that. That's all I care about. But them expressing themselves that way, I don't really knock my children for that. Some things I will say no to. But creative markings, I wouldn't stop them from doing. They all have meaningful tattoos, and their ideas for tattoos are meaningful, so I leave it alone.
That's good, because all my tattoos are meaningful.
Whatever. I'm not saying I'm happy about
I have
them
all of
doing
mine
it.
planned out.
I bet you do. But anyway, I guess we're going to try to vlog something today. You want to vlog? We got anything to do? Go to the grocery store. You want to go to Krispy Kreme. You know that Krispy Kreme's supposed to be, that's new to this area. We had those in High Point and Greensboro, but they don't have them down this way.
What are you talking about?
Do you know what Krispy Kreme you want to go to?
The one in Concord?
Concord Mills. Have you seen it?
No.
That's what I mean. It's supposed to be the big Krispy Kreme. Where they make the donuts in front of you. Did you look it up? Or you just heard it was a new one opening?
I didn't look it up, but I knew it was a new one opening. Don't Krispy Kreme already, the one in Salisbury, make the donuts in front of you?
They make them in the back.
I mean, but you can see them.
No,
So
not
in front
really.
of you.
Not really.
Yeah.
Wait till you see this one. We're going to vlog it. Just because I don't think she's seen one like this. Because when I lived in High Point, she was not born. So, we'll probably vlog that. And maybe go to the, I know we gotta go to the grocery store. That's nothing exciting to vlog. Some people like to see you shop, though. We'll see. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have not already, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload, because I am uploading regularly now, once a week. So, yes, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know when my videos pop up. And they're going to see a little bit more of you in the videos to come.
Maybe I'll be busy.
Whatever, you ain't that busy.
School finna start, I'll be busy my senior year.
Whatever. You'll probably see more vlogs this year, since this is her senior year and my son's senior year. And he plays football. She does sports as well. So we'll probably vlog more this year. Yeah. And then I'll probably be doing a lot of traveling. So, yeah, we'll probably vlog this year. Yeah. And maybe do more mukbangs this year.
The only sport you gonna be vlogging for me is probably track. I ain't doing basketball.
Why?
I don't know. Everybody trying to get me to play it again. I don't know. My head is right now.
But I thought that's what they were trying to recruit you for.
Oh, yeah, true. God!
This child, she's nuts.
No, because people ruin the sport.
I would rather you
People
just
ruin
focus on track, but I'm just talking about if that's what they're recruiting you for. I don't know if you need to be playing this year. You probably do. But anyway, we will see you guys in a future video, and I'm also going to be uploading a video going over the pros and cons of nursing, and also I'm doing a review on the salt menstrual cup, so stay tuned for that as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
What?
What the heck is a salt menstrual cup? Because in my head, I'm thinking something, and I just want it to be cleared up.
Well, it's probably what you're thinking. Shut up. Bye, guys.